Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to a brand new video. So today's video is going to be a Poundland haul, and it's kind of like a Poundland lockdown kind of haul because I've picked up some essentials for lockdown and I've also picked up some general like top up items as well. So that's something that you would like to see, so I thought why not share them with you. So let's get to it. Okay, so the first item that I picked up, I absolutely love this product, one of my favourites from Poundland, and it's the tea tree and peppermint foot peel. It's actually got a tag saying new on it, so I'm hoping it's going to be the same product, but I absolutely love it anyway. So that's that, and these are actually vegan friendly as well. It gives you one treatment of a foot peel, and if you haven't tried these guys, I would definitely recommend them to you. So that's that. Okay, so next up I picked up some honey and lemon lozenges. Obvious reason, sore throat. This really helps to soothe your throat. I do tend to do the whole natural thing as well, the honey, ginger and lemon, and sometimes a little bit of rum. I'm not gonna lie, a little bit of rum in there as well. That actually helps the throat to soothe as well. But sometimes, you know, it's just easy just to put one of these in and you're good to go. So I've got these, and this is a pack of 8 for £1. Next up, a few stationery items. I've actually opened this one already, but I thought I'd show it to you. So it's a desktop calculator, nice big one. I'm just going to take it out of the packaging actually. I'm always using my phone, you know, the app on the phone, the calculator, and it is handy, but sometimes you actually want to use your phone and you actually want to do a calculation at the same time. So that's why I've got this, just to have it handy in my office. So I've got that, and this was £1 for this calculator. Next up, I picked up this display book, and what it is, it's an A4. You get 30 sheets of clear A4 sheets in there that you can actually just slot your documents into and then have them at a glance. So that's why I've got this one here, and this was £1. I also picked up some A4 white card. You know, little Oakley's been doing lots of drawings, and I'm getting him to like do a little bit of homework as well. I've got this as well for myself, also for doing some crafts as well. Yeah, these are absolutely perfect to put through your printer as well. I use this on my standard printer and it works amazingly. So 30 A4 sheets, 200 grams, so it's quite thick card in there, and perfect for crafts as well. So I've got that. Okay, so next I picked up some of this Alberto Balsam hair conditioner, and this is in the scent coconut and lychee. So it says new formula, so I thought I'd give that a try, and it's also solvent free. So it's very hard to find solvent free hair products, so this one being solvent free, I thought I'd give it a try. I was very tempted to buy the shampoo as well, but I've got lots of shampoo and I don't have any conditioners, so I thought I'd just give that a go. You know, it smells absolutely delicious. So it's the Alberto Balsam coconut and lychee hair conditioner. As you can see, it's got the new logo there, so it's a new formula. I'll give that a try. Next up, this was actually a bargain. So this is a Satin Immersion 24-hour eyeshadow, and it's in like a smoky grey colour. As you can see, I got this for just 25p. You know, they had a whole basket of reduced items down to 25p, and there's nothing actually wrong with this. It's, you know, it's brand new, it's still got its wrapper on, it's not damaged or anything. That's my bargain of the day, I'm telling you. And I love that colour on my eyes, you know, that smoky, give my eye that smoky kind of look, you know, when I do tend to sort of do makeup. But yeah, so I've got that. Okay, so next up I needed to get one of these wash bags just to have in my bathroom to put all my little bits in, because sometimes I will swap from the bathroom to our ensuite. You know, if hubby's in the ensuite, I'll use the bathroom, or vice versa. I can just pick up my wash bag and bring everything I need to bring in with me in this bag, and I just absolutely love the design on it as well. I've got this, and it's a good size bag that will hold everything I need it to hold. And this was just £1. Actually, all of the items that I've shown you other than the eyeshadow were £1 each. So amazing, amazing. Okay, next I picked up a simple product. I've got the Replenishing Rich Moisturizer, and this lasts for 12 hours. And this is like one of my go-tos when it comes to moisturizer, because it does keep your skin moisturized throughout the day. It's kind to the skin as well, cruelty-free, dermatology tested. What more can you ask for? So I've got that. Okay, so next up, I have actually tried the Poundland Whiteboard pens. They are good, but then I saw these in there. These are Whiteboard pens by Bic, and you get the 4 colours in there the same way. So you get the green, the blue, the black and the red. And I feel that they're going to be a slight better quality than the Poundland ones, because the Poundland ones do dry out quite quickly. And this being Bic, I thought, yeah, get those. But these are actually £2 for the pack of 4. So I can appreciate that because it is Bic, you know. I thought, yeah, get those, and yeah, I can use those in my office on the whiteboard, because I'm starting to sort of plan plan what I'm going to be doing for the next couple of weeks leading up to Christmas. So got those. Next I picked up some bath bombs. I got 2. Wow, I haven't done that for a while. 2 bath bombs, because there's only 2 left on the shelf. I don't know if you spied me picking these up in my come shop with me video, but there's only 2 left, and these are by Fern McCann as well, and I've tried these and they're absolutely gorgeous. I mean, I would buy bath bombs from Lush and, you know, other stores, but when I tried these, Fern McCann, Fern, come on now, Fern and Poundland have got these on point. They're absolutely gorgeous scent. I know some of us don't have a bath in our house, we only have the showers. If you have a bath and you like bath bombs like I do, these are worth a try. They're really, really lovely. This scent is one of my favorites. This is the coconut scent and I absolutely love it. It's all fully wrapped, but you can actually smell it through the actual wrapper. They are going to get more stock, so I will definitely get some more of these, because these will make the perfect stocking filler. You know, you can put it into a gift set with something else, so I've got those. Okay, so next up I picked up another one of these candles because I like the packaging on it as well, so I've actually got that for a gift set as well. So I got that, and this is the vanilla crush candle. Just open it up like that. You can see it's got the candle inside there. You know, an amazing packaging for just £1. You know, you really can't go wrong with Poundland. I think all my loved ones, I'm not going to lie, I think all my loved ones are going to get a little token gift from me this year for Christmas from Poundland, because if you look at this, you know, you wouldn't think that this was from Poundland. It's just absolutely stunning, you know, for £1. So, you know, I'm sure my loved ones would appreciate something like this, a candle that they can just put in their bathroom, in their kitchen, anywhere in the house, you know. You get what I'm saying. So I got that anyways. Picked up another one of these moonlights because Oakley's got one of these in his bedroom. At night, the glow on it is just absolutely amazing. It just looks like the moon when it's on his side table. So I've got one of these to put in the bathroom. Just going to put it on the floor in the bathroom. So at night when he wants to go to the toilet, he can just sort of see his way by using the moonlight. So I've got that. This was £2, but I just absolutely love it. Okay, so next up I picked up some more glue dots because I'm going to be doing some crafts leading up to Christmas. So had to top up on my glue dots, you know, just in case they run out. So I've got another pack of the glue dots, and glue dots are great for everything, you know. I stick little Oakley's, when Oakley does his little drawings, I can stick them on his wall without worrying about the wall being damaged. You know, they're just amazing product, the glue dots. They come in like a box like that. And doesn't say how many you get in there, but you get a good amount of glue dots in this box. So for £1, again, you can't go wrong. So I got that. Okay, so next up I got some of these clips. You do get a set of 4. I did take one off, and I've got one on Oakley's easel downstairs, which I will show you a clip. Because what I've done, I've got the Poundland charts, the alphabet ones, the learning ones. I've used a clamp to attach the chart to Oakley's IKEA easel. It's perfect for that because we were trying to prop the chart up and it kept falling down, but now we've got the clamps. It's absolutely brilliant. And also when he's doing paintings and messy play, I would just clamp the disposable tablecloth to our dining table, and then he can draw as much as he wants without damaging the table. Okay, so the last item reminded me of something again from my teenage years. Now if you look at this book, it's like a shiny silver colour. It's an A4 notebook, and it's got, okay, so I went to New York many years ago. It was the time when Madonna's book, SEX, had been launched. I queued up for about an hour. I had a good position in line, you know, to get that book. And I got the book. I got the book, and I had the book, and I don't know where the book is now. Because what happened, I got back with the book, and everyone was excited to see the book. I passed it from hand to hand. Everyone wanted to look in it. Everyone wanted to see it. Obviously borrowed it to someone and forgotten to get it back off them. And this is what this reminded me of. This one says notes on the front. But honestly, if anyone is watching and you have my Madonna SEX book, I would love to have it returned back to me, because I absolutely loved Madonna as a teenager and I still rate her. So I would love to have that book returned back to me. Honestly, I would just be so grateful to get my book back. So if you're watching and you have it, please return my book, you know. So anyway, that's enough of that. Yeah, so I got this, and it's just a silver coloured A4 notebook. So that's my last item, guys. Another Poundland haul. As I really hope you like this video. Please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Make sure you don't miss out on any of my videos, and I shall see you on the next one. So take care, keep safe and keep well. Bye.